Welcome to Perry Lakes Park, a cypress swamp and hardwood oxbow recreational area in Marion, Alabama. Behind a state hatchery and the Alabama Aquatic Biodiversity Center, there is this unique place that can be closed because of flash flooding in the area or upstream. This place has a host of recreations that could be explored, including hiking, birding, canoeing, wildlife viewing, or pooping with a view. That's right, they have weird bathrooms. They're pit toilets, but they have interesting views. You can get around some of the area on elevated boardwalk trails. There's a covered bridge to get to the east side, and there's a fire tower that is occasionally open for birding in the canopy. All in all, it's a very rural area, but I would make a point to come down if you were within an hour or two drive. It's bizarre for sure, but it's something that I would want to revisit. See the links below for the park's main page, the USGS stream gauge in nearby Centerville, Alabama to check for flooding data, and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.